Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the phone or laptop. Make sure the camera works and the browser can access it. Open Images, Google.com or the Google search page, then tap the camera icon to launch Lens in browser. This uses web permissions instead of an app. Once done, allow camera access when prompted, because Lens needs live capture to analyze objects. Make sure to use Chrome for best compatibility, but Safari or Edge also work. Allowing the camera is the single most important step to proceed. You now capture or upload. Frame the item, tap the shutter, or choose an existing photo to start analysis. Once the image loads, select the lens mode, text to copy, search for visual matches, or shopping to find product links, because each mode changes results. Then refine the focus by cropping or zooming into the specific area. This narrows the algorithm's attention and improves accuracy. After selecting a region, tap the suggested results to see pages, translations, or prices, so you can act on what Lens finds. You finish by tapping the best result and following the link to translate text, copy content, or open product pages. This completes the task without installing an app. If Lens returns weak or irrelevant matches, reframe the subject, improve lighting, reduce background clutter, and try again. Better contrast helps the model. When problems persist, clear the browser cache, ensure camera permission is enabled, or switch to a desktop browser. These steps usually fix permission or compatibility issues and get Lens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.